KC5's certified most accurate forecast.
Well, that's too bad because it's going to be a beautiful weekend to go on a hike, but luckily there are many, many other places to check out.
Looking like fall, but feeling like summer.
Yeah, you're going to need lots of water. Just be sweating on Sunday, especially. 80s, obviously a little cooler on top of the mountain, but still, speaking of mountains, that's the top of Okemo, and if you've got a careful eye, maybe you've been there before, you can point out the mountain in the distance. Right there, Mount Ascutney, always a great view when you're traveling on 91 North. And you can see it nice and clearly in the distance. Sunburst 6, not spinning right now, 5:15. Here is the foliage estimate. It's always an estimate. This is a combination of reports and probably temperature data that explorefall.com puts together. So the brown color is past peak, the red is peak, but based on what we're seeing, I think there may be pockets in the peak area that are already past peak, including in southern Vermont. That's what we were seeing on the Mount Snow camera just a little while ago. So same is true for the middle of the Adirondacks, peak or past peak, but from the Champlain Valley, like the shore of Lake Champlain up, you're bound to find the sweet spot somewhere in the middle there. Central Vermont in good shape as well, high color to peak color. Pockets may have some leaf drop that makes you feel more like past peak as well. That's how it's going this year. Some high clouds overhead. This is the Heroes Welcome General Store. A couple of boats in the water. Always this time of year kind of watching the number dwindle. Eventually we'll be down to one boat and then none, and by that point we'll probably be tracking snow. 71 with sunshine there in the Champlain Islands, and we've got 71 in Saranac Lake. So a step above yesterday. We've been warming up slowly. There's nothing on radar, really not much on satellite. At times we'll have some passing clouds tomorrow morning, but generally sunshine through the day. Here's Sunday, a repeat. Now it's a little warmer. We'll be up in the 80s, but still talking about a sunny sky, and the same is true as we push into Monday. So just high pressure, really big high pressure. The jet stream so far north, it's sunny and warm for a number of days to come. We've got the warmest day now being Monday at 85. Now Tuesday has a lot of potential, but I think the timing of the cold front is a little bit quicker, and if the showers and the clouds come in at like 2 or 3 in the afternoon, that kind of shuts down your potential to warm up. So yes, it's still warm on Tuesday, but probably not quite as warm as the front starts to make inroads in our region. You'll see here 6 p.m. on Tuesday. That's our next round of impact weather. The cold front with the rain coming through, and it's kind of a quick mover. Be nice if it parks for a little bit, but it's not going to. It zips along. Sunshine returns on Wednesday, and it's chilly by Wednesday of next week. So how much can we squeeze out? Not a lot. Half inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain. The trouble is when it's dry for so long, sometimes it's hard to really get the more impressive totals. So we'll watch those trends as we get closer. We've got 41 in Saranac Lake tonight, 46 in Montpelier, a couple passing clouds. Look at Potsdam, 79 tomorrow. Malone at 77, Ticonderoga 78. Much the same across northern Vermont. Almost 80 degrees in St. Jay, and we've got lower 80s there along Interstate 91 in southern Vermont. That's how it looks. This is full-on bonus summer weather. 85 on Monday. A lot of records going to be set, and then we start the cool down with the showers likely late on Tuesday. That's why we've got the impact color. Maybe a shower left Wednesday morning, but I think the clearing is going to come in pretty quickly as we go through Wednesday, and then temperatures in the 50s Wednesday, Thursday, back into the 60s towards the end of next week.